Hey guys, right now on Amazon, this printer from Janolia is 25% off. So we have it right here. We're going to open it up and try it on the Floaty channel. But please use the link in the description below to take advantage of the discount and smash that like button and subscribe. Let's take a look. All right, let's open up the Janolia portable wireless A4 printer. Again, you can get this on Amazon. Right now it's 25% off, which makes it $75. So the slider, yeah. Okay. Comes with some paper. It is listed as versatile with the paper. So it should work with Spirit. This looks like something else here, but also Genshin Violet colored, similar to Spirit paper. So we'll put one of those aside. Alright, so that's everything in the box. So it comes with a little cord and an adapter here. We'll just take a peek-see-week-see at the manual. We have the power button. We have a paper change button. Press the buttons at the same time to the printer cover and exchange paper. Okay, so that's if we get a jam maybe. Adjust paper limiter to fit your paper width. All right, so it does open, that's cool. And when we load the paper, looks like maybe yellow side up. Let's see, transfer paper installation guide. Make sure you have selected this type of paper. Pull out the protective paper, tear off the yellow. All right, and then blue side up. Blue side up, not the white side. Got it. That's a little tutorial if you need it. We should have the app code as well. There it is. So we're going to just get that going. And right here is iYin, which looks like the correct app for printing. All right, here's the first page, just asking for permissions. And here we are now in the printer. So let's go ahead and let's get it opened up fully. So that's it. That's the Janolia printer. It's a chunky little thing. And it does open, which is good. All right, let's open up the app. So we see at the top that it is not connected yet. So we're going to turn on the printer. See a red light flashing. And we're going to tap the printer button. It says make sure the printer's turned on, which we did, and looks like it's connected. So it's that easy. Awesome. We're going to now try to print something. Let's tear off the yellow. All right, we have the blue side up, and we're going to figure out how to feed this. So directions say we actually open it. You probably have to feed it through a little bit first. Bring it back. And when we open it, we can see the other side. I'm going to pull that through. And probably bring it right to this edge here. Make sure it's even. And we're going to close it. Okay, it should be loaded. So let's open up the app. We're going to go to image print. It says it wants to access the camera. We're going to allow that. All right, here is a recent project I did with a lot of detail. Let's try to print this one. So I want to just see what their crop features look like. Looks like I can crop the image manually here. If I want to get a certain size, sometimes that's helpful. So that's like probably the maximum size I can fit on the page. Okay, that looks good. It's filling the page. I'm going to just go ahead and get to the print section. Okay, I have some options here for modes, graphics, density, low, middle, high, paper, just says letter, print direction, vertical versus horizontal. Interesting. I think I don't know, see how it would go horizontal. That's interesting. Number of print copies. All right, let's do it. Print now. So it definitely printed fast. Let's see what the quality is like. And this is just the paper they sent to us, not spirit paper or anything like that. But it looks really good. I feel like I could use this stencil, no problem. Let's see, my print density was at middle there. I could probably go even lower if I needed to, but this is definitely exactly how I would want it. So that looks awesome. Let's see if it can do realism. Okay, now we're going to try something a little more complicated. I have a portrait here. I just ran it through the Tattoo Stencil app before putting it in here into the app for this printer. So let's see what it can do. I've already prepped the paper. Blue side's going to be up. And let's see how it handles this portrait. We're going to keep it at middle density for now. Let's try. Okay, so not so great with the paper they gave me anyway. Who knows if it would be better with the spirit paper. However, it did catch a lot of detail here and it produced it really quickly. It's not the worst. It's fast. It's not going to do well with any kind of dense areas, so you really have to watch out for that with the stencil. I just made this picture really quickly, so that area did have a lot of detail, but yeah, it is not picking up some of the gaps that I would like it to there. So it's not the greatest here. Probably not the best printer I've tried, to be honest. All right, so you've seen kind of the kinks with this thing. Feeding the paper in might be a little challenging. It does suck the paper back and then print, so you're not maybe getting the whole sheet, and it's hard to set that up perfectly. It is running through though, and running through quickly, and it's picking up most of the detail, but not all of the detail. So it's kind of on the less expensive side, which is great, $75. So I think you are probably getting what I'd expect for that price. And $75 is really quite inexpensive. You can carry this in your bag too. It's really lightweight, which is nice. So it's got a couple little bugs, but all in all, it did print the prints beautifully, and I am happy with the results. So I would have to say that I do recommend this printer, especially because it's one of the least expensive I've seen. So $75 is kind of a steal for how quickly it prints and efficient. I think these printers are probably getting better over time, but this is very good for your money. So if you want to get a printer that is a little bit less expensive, you won't be disappointed with this. It will work for you. And you just have to be careful with your stencil designs, as always. But I know you guys will, because you're amazing artists. Thank you so much for watching this review of the Janolia printer. I hope you like and subscribe and watch more in the future. Bye.
Thank you. Bye.